Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lullabs edition. This is Rai Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. We're still here in Belgium and we'll continue to explore this beautiful city of Brussels. Today, we will visit the Mont Des Arts, which is one of the favorite places of tourists here in Brussels. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Brussels is a lively city that's always on the go. It has an incredible wealth of culture, heritage, and architecture just waiting to be discovered. This is the continuation video of our walking tour here in Brussels, ready to explore its must-see places, quirky corners, and vibrant events. In spite of the uphill and downhill roads of Brussels, the city center is very walkable and the public transport system is efficient. Although we've been walking for more than an hour now, I don't feel tired because everything is an enjoyable view. We're actually now in the upper part of the city, and we're near Mont Des Arts. And look at those wide variety of architectural styles of the buildings. Those are really amazing and perfect spot for selfies. Now we're here in the Mont Des Arts. The Mont Des Arts is the junction between uptown and downtown Brussels and offers a delightful view in all seasons. Below you can sit in the sumptuous gardens that lead to the statue of Albert I. The knightly king faces his love, Queen Elizabeth, whose statue stands on the small place, the Albertine, on the other side of the road. The Mont Des Arts is home to the KBR, the country's main library, and the KBR Museum, which houses the Library of the Dukes of Burgundy and the Archives and Museum of Literature. On the other side of the Mont Des Arts, you'll find the Brussels Congress Center Square. Within walking distance, you'll also find major museums and cultural institutions, such as Beaux-Arts, the Bellevue Museum, and the Museum of Musical Instruments. The Mont Des Arts garden provides a green transition between the upper and the lower parts of the city, between the Royal Quarter and the Grand Place in the city's historical center. It is originally built for the year 1910 Universal Exhibition. It was adapted in the 1950s to form part of the vast urban complex of the Mont Des Arts. You might be wondering what Mont Des Arts means. The Mont Des Arts, or Kansberg, means hill or Mount of the Arts. It is an urban complex and historic sites in central Brussels. A good place to unwind and rest, and definitely a little gem that's worth checking out when you visit Brussels. This is the equestrian statue of Albert I. It is a bronze equestrian statue erected here in Brussels, Belgium, in memory of King Albert I, the third king of the Belgians. It was created by the sculptor Alfred Cortens in 1951. Across the road, you'll find the statue of Queen Elizabeth, the great love of King Albert I. I will end my video here. But again, it's not yet the end of our travel adventure here in Brussels, for we will still continue exploring the city center, where the shopping area is. So stay tuned and watch out for that continuation video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. See you on my next travel video. Bye for now!